Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Wisetag. Alright, so let's begin. To set up your Wisetag for easy payments, start from the main Wise page. Navigate to the Payments section where you can manage various payment options. As you scroll down this page, you'll find an option to create and share your Wisetag. This feature allows others to send you money or request payments seamlessly. Click on the option to get your Wisetag and a new screen will appear. On this screen, you'll see a button labeled Get Your Wisetag. Click this button to generate your unique Wisetag. Once created, you'll be able to copy the link associated with your tag. You can share this link with others, or they can use the provided QR code to easily send or request money from you. This Wisetag is a convenient tool for facilitating transactions, making it simpler for others to interact with you financially. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.